है। अब इन 3 दिनों के उत्सव के संदर्भ में कठोपनिषद की ये उक्ति, ये ऐसा सुप्तेषु जागृति कामसस पुरुषो निर्माण, द पर्सन हु इज अवेक इन दोज दैट स्लीप्स शेपिंग डिजायर आफ्टर डिजायर दैट इंडीड इज द प्योर। इन्हीं शब्दों को आगे बढ़ाने हेतु मैं महाशया मनीषा कोइराला जी से ये दरख्वास्त करता हूं कि इस उत्सव के उनके दृष्टिकोण से हमें अवगत कराएं। माननीय मनीषा जी।
Honorable Chief Justice of Patna, Shatrughan Sinha ji, distinguished guest, and ladies and gentlemen. Before I begin, I want you all to take a moment and tell me, if I was a genie and I could grant wishes for you, what would they be? What would you wish for yourself? Let me guess. A better job, a better financial security, a home, and if you already have a home, you would want another home, a car. These are the things, and trust me, I'm an actor, so I was also like that. I wanted a better film, better director, more hit films, glamour, name, fame, everything. That's all we want, right? Now, just pause it. Let's look at the other slide. There's a tree. If we water the flower of the tree, or the leaves of the tree, or the branches of the tree, will the tree benefit? Until unless we don't water the roots of the tree is not going to benefit. Likewise, in this life, until unless we don't have a good health, we really cannot enjoy anything that life gives us, whether it's a bungalow, car, name, fame, money, nothing. Yet, we only think of health when we are sick. We don't think of keeping a good health before. We prioritize everything else but not our health. I realized this when I was sick. When I was in the hospital bed, I realized the value of the health that time. उसी वक्त मैंने सोचा था कि once I'm well, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to generate awareness about health and how to keep it well. And we are human beings, we are multi-dimensional people. So it's not only one way. We are going to be talking in this festival, we are going to be talking about our body, how important it is to look after our body. Equally important is how to stay strong in our minds, how to be positive in our minds. And equally important it is to have a spiritual angle to it. So we are going to be talking about mind, body, soul in this festival. The festival, the term that we've used it, because we don't want it to be lecturing and boring, because the moment, health की बातें होती है तो लगता है कि कुछ लंबा चौड़ा इसके बारे में लेक्चर होगा, बहुत बोरिंग लगता है. इसलिए हमने फेस्टिवल का थोड़ा सा फील दिया है, क्योंकि लगे कि ये एक अच्छा सा फील गुड फैक्टर भी रहे. We should be in this platform. We have doctors who are coming here. We have like a Western science and Eastern wisdom. We have combined it. So we'll have doctors as well as alternative healers as well. So it's a common platform for everybody to come and share their expertise, their insights, so that we all can benefit. And so this was just my idea, but Ganga ji and Sneha ji has really taken this forward so beautifully. You need somebody to execute this kind of idea really well. So I want to really thank Gramin Sneh Foundation for doing this marvelous job. We're taking upon this, and we are hoping this function is starting from the grounds of Patna, and it should reach to every part of the country and beyond and globally. So this is what we tend to do. Thank you for listening to me, and all the best for this event. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.